Did you know the Bimini Cruise Port had a free shuttle? Today I'm going to take you on the complete route, including all the stops. From the cruise ship, you'll have a short walk to get to the line for the shuttle. Here's a great spot to get your selfie with the cruise ship. You can see that the concrete's marked depending on if you want the free shuttle or if you just want to walk to the free beach. Everything is marked here on the concrete so you know what line you need to get into. If you don't want to use the shuttle and want to use the walkway, then you'll just stay to the left and follow that orange line, and then it will get you to the walking path so you can cross the bridge and actually get onto the island. The shuttle has 4 stops. The first will be at the very popular Bimini Beach Club. The second will be the casino and also the Hilton. The third is going to be Fisherman's Village. And the fourth one will be the free public beach. We made it to our first stop, which is Bimini Beach Club. It's a Virgin-owned beach club, but other cruise lines offer single-day packages
so you can also enjoy the beach and all the amenities that the club has to offer. So just get with your cruise line to see what packages are available. So now we made it to Resorts World Casino. This is also where you can get to the Hilton, and there's several great restaurants at the Hilton on the first level. Next, we have Fisherman's Village. This is a good place to go get souvenirs. You can go to the Starbucks, and also this is where I tried conch for the first time, which I made a video about, and it's already on the channel if you want to check it out. So now we made it to the last stop before actually getting back to the port, and that is the free beach. So the downside is you will have to take the shuttle around the complete tour to get to the free beach if you're not wanting to or able to walk from the cruise ship. But a positive note is at the end of the day, when you're tired, your next stop would be back at the cruise ship. So it does make for a quick return to the ship at the end of the day. And then your last stop of the tour is going to be returning back to the cruise ship. and they let you off almost in the same spot that you started. So hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope this helps you out if you ever go to Bimini, and thanks for watching.
Chase. Hey, what they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, man? What they all been waiting for, yeah. This is the moment.